circumstances?
Wala naman adjustments. I just think that everybody had their mindset to contribute to this game. Alam nila naman na gaano ka-importante yung laro ngayon. So everybody just had the mindset and yung will nila na makakontribute maski papaano sa larong ito. And hindi naman namin kontrolado yung result, pero yung tsansa na manalo today, binigyan nila yung sarili ng tsansa.
Coach Robbie Herndon played limited minutes in the last few games. Anthony Samarantis has come back in after an injury. How big were they for you tonight?
Yeah, malaking bagay. Yeah, Tony was great. He was able to come back. Was a big help for us. No? Mas maganda, mas madali yung rotation between Brandon and Tony, and I had Paulie play the 4. Concern naman kay Herndon kasi sabi mo kulang ang minuto niya kanina. So, nabigyan ko ng minuto. So, yun.
Paulie, conference high for you tonight. Congratulations. Ano ba ang naging expectations ng coaches sa'yo at sa'yo rin sa sarili mo? Lalo na nag-foul trouble si Mike. Kaya step up with it.
Ayun, binigay ko lang yung best ko, yung binigay ng opportunity ni Coach Jong sa akin, hindi ko sinayang. Lahat ng assistant coach, binigyan ako ng opportunity para makapaglaro, ipakita ko yung kung ano yung kaya kong gawin.
Ano ba yung strengths mo na utilize mo tonight, Paul? Kaya tumaas rin yung tiwala ng coach sa'yo, at tumaas rin yung kumpiyansa mo sa sarili mo.
Ayun, wala naman. Sumusunod lang ako sa system, yung game plan namin nila coach. Yun.
Thanks, Paulie. We are now opening the floor to the media.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
So it's you like in this type of career.
Yes. Yes.
Right now, with 2 games left, you have Rangers and Eastern, very
Yes.
2 top teams.
Yes. Alam naman namin na long shot, pero at least may shot. That's all we can rely on now, na may shot pa rin kami. So we will take every chance we can get para makapasok sa next round. So I know na some are under our control, some are not, pero still, sabi ko nga na meron pa rin opportunity, may oportunidad pa rin. Maski gaano kalayo, basta meron pa rin. So yun ang mindset namin coming into the next 2 games. Or next game. Pag muna 2 games. Next game.
Coach Robert, Mako is always, after nagkasakit siya, so kumusta siya past few days recover?
Si Robert maingat naman sa katawan niya. Yes, masama pakiramdam niya, but he is always in shape naman, and we know naman na he can deliver in end game or in crunch time. So we know we can rely on him. Pero ang importante, hindi lang naman siya today. Ang dami rin nag-contribute ng double figure in tonight's game. Kaya nanalo because maganda yung mga contribution ng iba. Kung sino man yung nilaro ko, kung sino man di ko nilaro, lahat may contribution yan.
What's mo lang kay Donel playing yung magandang team that night, and kumusta yung always figuring sa rotation mo?
Learner naman si Paulie. At the start, 4, 3, 4, so medyo nahihirapan talaga siya. So now we are trying to, nagiging sanay na siya sa dalawang klaseng posisyon. And it gives time kasi, give him some time kasi rookie siya, syempre. Unfair naman sa kanya na palipat-lipat yung posisyon niya, di ba? Sa first conference, 4 siya. At the start of this conference, 4 siya. Ngayon, 3 siya. So, give him some time to make the adjustments. But he's such a learning person or player na makaka-adapt naman siya as the season or the conference goes on.
Ano masasabi doon sa sinabi sa inyo, Coach?
Yun, sobrang thankful ako kila coach kasi sa practice namin, tinuturuan talaga ako kahit maliit na pagkakamali lang, kinukorek ako eh. Kaya thankful ako kila Coach Jong at kila Coach Borgie, lahat ng assistant coach.
Okay, that's it. Thank you so much, Coach John, for this.
Thank you. Good job.